The Eiffel Scholarships in France for international students are offering €14,400 for the year 2022. The French Ministry for Europe and Foreign Affairs were the first to establish this prestigious scholarship. The entire creation of this international scholarship was to attract and find the top international students who showed premier skill and effectiveness within their studies. For more about this scholarship, about conditions to apply and the instructions on how to apply, you can find out on our website, picascholarship.com, by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Also, you can find us on Facebook and you can like us if you want. It should be noted that this scholarship is only for Master's and Ph.D. students only. Since this scholarship development by the French Ministry for Europe and Foreign Affairs, this scholarship program makes it possible each year to train future students. This scholarship only covers 7 fields of study, where a student can master the fine education of receiving a master's or Ph.D. degree. International students are accepted only. French students will not be accepted. For master's level, candidates must be 25 years old or less at the time of the year 2022 application campaign, that is, they must have been born after 31st of March year 1996. Ph.D. level, candidates must be at most 30 years old during the application of year 2022, that is, they must have been born after 31st of March year 1991. Eiffel program scholarships are intended for students seeking to enroll in a master's level program in France, including at a school of engineering, and for doctoral candidates. Applications are not accepted from students directly. Applications for Eiffel scholarships are submitted by French higher education institutions. Instead, students must complete and reach the requirements of that stated by the French higher education institution. The tuition and fees are not covered by this scholarship. By the way, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well, so you will receive updates from us. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.